Have you ever bent your knees or knuckles and heard a pop or crack? That sound isn't your bones rubbing together. It's actually tiny gas bubbles bursting inside the fluid of your joints. Joints are surrounded by a slippery fluid that helps them move smoothly. When you stretch or bend a joint, the pressure inside changes, causing dissolved gases like nitrogen to form bubbles. When these bubbles collapse or burst, you hear that familiar popping noise. It's perfectly normal and usually nothing to worry about unless you feel pain or swelling. Like and subscribe for more fun science.